Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect NinjaTrader 8 to your eSignal account. So what you'll need to do is basically go to connections, then click on configure button, and right here in the available connections search for eSignal, so it is right here. And now to add this connection, what we'll need to do is click add, and now you'll need to type eSignal username and password. Right here for the connection name, you can customize it and name it how you want to. But right now, I'm going to leave it as it is. And basically, that's it. Now, what you'll need to do is basically go to the connections and click on your connection name. And that's how you connect to your eSignal. And to disconnect it, basically click on connections again and click disconnect. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you connect your eSignal account to NinjaTrader. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything and comment down below for the algorithm.